Welcome to Newbie Coop.
Well, welcome back, newbie viewers. It's time for another video. As you can see, we're in my garage, and I have a hoodie on because it's cold. I am an idiot who wore shorts, but I'm wearing a hoodie, and it's very windy on my back porch. So I'm going to try to do the best video I can for you today, but at the same time, I do apologize for all the wind noise and the bad lighting and all that stuff because it's windy and you ain't going to hear much. It's kind of dull and dingy out today. It's not as bad as it was yesterday. It was raining yesterday. However, we are going to do a video today. I know I made a lot of sandwiches here lately, but I'm going to make another sandwich. A friend of mine, Josh, gave me some of these pork burgers that he made, and I'm going to go ahead and make those today. But I'm also going to add some sausage, which you just seen me getting the sausage on the grill. I'm going to smoke it a little bit for a little while. And then we're gonna have the a pork burger, some sausage, and then some bacon, and then on a bun with some barbecue sauce and all that. That's gonna be my supper for tonight. So I'm gonna call this, what should I call this? Call this the ultimate pork sandwich. Probably not, because I can't really be a pulled pork or whatever, because it's not pulled pork. So we're just gonna go with ultimate pork sandwich. That's what we're gonna do tonight. But with all that being said, the smoker or the grill is going. I'm smoking the sausage on my Weber. I actually have to run to the store and get bacon because I forgot bacon and I don't have enough buns. But anyway, let's get rolling on this sucker, and hopefully in a little while we'll be eating dinner. All right, so sausage is done, and I'm gonna put this down over here, and we're gonna pull this sucker off. We're gonna wrap it up, let it sit for a while, and then we'll cut it up. We'll have it with our burger later. Yeah, that looks pretty good. Yep, we're gonna go ahead and take her off. There we go. There she be. All right, now I'm gonna leave this going because I'm gonna put the pork burger patties on next, and I'm actually gonna smoke them up a little bit too. So gonna clean the grates, put the lid back on, take this inside, and then we'll bring the pork burger patties out. We're gonna throw them on next. Alright, so my buddy Josh over at A&J Farms, I believe that's the name, A&J Farms. Sorry Josh if I butchered this, but anyway, he got me these pork burgers. Actually, I've had them for a little while, and I've been meaning to do a video on them, and I just haven't got around to it. I had all these other wild creations in my head. But anyway, we just put my little oak chunk on the coals themselves, and we're going to set these suckers on. We're just going to let them soak up some smoke for a little while, and then we'll grill these suckers up. Alright, so the wind's absolutely ridiculous today. I do apologize if you get a bunch of wind noise, but I think you're pretty much going to get majority of this video is going to be a montage, and that's just how it's going to be because I don't think you're going to be able to hear a lot of what I said. So anyway, we're just going to roll that beautiful footage. Here you guys go. Alright guys, so pretty simple. We're going to make our sandwich. We got our bun here. We're going to get our patty off. Here we go. There's our pork burger patty from Josh. We're going to throw some bacon on. We're just going to load this sucker up with bacon, because why not, right? Everybody loves bacon. I love bacon. Here we go, there's bacon. Now, This is the sausage that we smoked earlier. Take a few pieces of that. We're gonna throw some sausage on there. Gonna load her up. Gonna load her up. Oh, drop a piece. Load it up with some sausage. That looks pretty good. Alright, now we're gonna take a little bit of our smoky barbecue sauce. We're just gonna slather it up. If it comes out here, slather it up. A little smoky barbecue, some Lily Q's here. And then here's the next one. We'll try this bad boy out. It's Alabama White. There we go. Okay, here we go. Put the bun back on it. Boom. Alright, that right there we call the ultimate pork burger. Alright guys, so that's it for this week. I hope you liked my ultimate pork burger sandwich. I'm not sure what next week's gonna bring, but hey, you know what? I got a great sandwich and I'm gonna go inside and enjoy this sucker. We'll see you guys on another episode of New BQ Backyard Barbecue and Grilling. And if you haven't yet, follow me on Facebook, follow me on Instagram. There'll be a link down below, or at least I'll try to put a link. You can find me at NewBQ2020 on Instagram, NewBQ2020 on Facebook. So anyway, we'll see you guys next time. Peace.